what happened to my audio here, but what I was telling that it's yet another good morning from Pattaya this time, and it's our day 4 in Thailand. Yesterday, we couldn't do much. It was very loud, not good for the child. We had a delicious dinner, Indian dinner, and as usual, did some shopping. We are now going to the Bali High Pier Harbour, which is nearby to our hotel, and we will head from the harbour to the Coral Island in a ferry. Post the Coral Island, we will head back to Bangkok for the night, as we have to catch a flight the next morning to Phuket. We again started our day as usual a little late. It's already 11 a.m. now.
So this is the harbour, Siangpur Harbour, I guess. This is what it's called. And we need to get our tickets. Here. Kolan ferry, yeah, ferry. 2 and 1 child. 90 baht?
Yes.
When is it starting?
11:30.
11:30?
Yes, you can go now.
Go now?
48. This way to the end.
Okay. Thank you.
Did you take the ticket?
30 baht each ticket. Woohoo! कैसा लगा टाइम लैप्स? So I think there are a lot of ferries and speedboats going at different times. I think it is every half an hour or 1 hour. I'm not really sure about the timings. But yes, ours is at 11:30. Now it's 11:08. It's going to take 45 minutes from the harbour to the Kolarn or the Coral Island. Then maybe we can explore or be there for an hour and then again return from Kolarn back to the harbour. That's as simple as it sounds like. Now what, we don't know what's actually there in store for us in Coral Island, but it is usually white sand, full of white sand, full of green, blue water. So now this is the line for the speedboat. Ours is in the ferry. Oh, amazing. People are coming. People are ready with their swimsuits to do scuba diving and snorkeling and whatnot. So nice. Bidon. This is our ferry. Now watch the shots from the Insta360 Expo. ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ that I've come to Bangkok, but ಒಂದೇ ಬರ್ತೀನಂತ ಇತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ನಿನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಬರ್ತೀನೋ ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಬರ್ತೀನೋ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
But don't you think you are feeling lucky to come with me?
I think that you should feel. I think that is Coral Island, Kolar, and we are approaching.
Where are you planning the next wedding anniversary?
Ranganthittu, Nanjanthitta, or Mysore Hanumanta biryani.
I'm planning, okay, you go to Mysore, I'm planning to South Africa.
Masai Mara, even I want to go.
Itinerary
ಬರ್ದು ಆ ಐಟಿನರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ
ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ
ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರಿಂದ
ಹಲೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮೀ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೀ
ಐಟಿನರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 50% ಮಾಡಿದೀವೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ನಾನು ಶಾಪ್
ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ 50-60. ಈ ದರಿದ್ರ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ಗಳದ್ರ
ಶೂಸು ಪರ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿದೆ.
By the looks of it, it seems like there are a lot of speed boats running here than ferries. Ferry you can enjoy. In speedboat it is very bumpy, and it is always not very balanced as the ferry is. Ferry is just steering through the water, so it is nice. And having a kid and going in a speedboat is first of all risky and not recommended. That's why ferry is the best choice. If you're coming to Coral Island, and you have a kid, I would recommend, and it is recommended usually by everyone, take a ferry, not a speedboat. Okay, finally we have reached Coral Island. I don't know what is so special about this place, but we've come on recommendation. These bikes are for rent, the scooters I would say. I think there's a lot of islands connected to Coral Island, so I think people rent and go around 3-4 islands from here. But we've just entered. We have to see if there is anything good to do here. Yeah, that's it. I'll show you when I see something nice. Exploring the island in our own rented two-wheeler. is our rented scooty for the day. Nice. This is Yamaha Click. It's got good power. Nice. Okay, we are in Coral Island now. In Coral Island itself, there are about, I might be wrong, 7 different beaches. Taiwan Beach is, or Taiwan Beach is the most crowded. This is Samay Beach, where we are in, is a little less crowded. But I see a lot of foreigners. It's only foreigners over here, and it's crowded. It's crowded. It's amazingly crowded. Now Archana and Arjun have gone to enjoy, play in the beach, play in the water. I can't. I don't have patience to stay in the sun and keep myself. I just want to keep myself away from water. I don't have the patience to get into it. Take a dip or something. Hello. Yes. Ordered something to eat, French fries. Because और कुछ नहीं हमारे लायक खाने के लिए. एक छोटा सा बियर लिया है. खा के पी के यहीं पे थोड़ी देर सेट करके मौज मस्ती लेके we leave. But this place is so nice, so relaxing. You have to come to Thailand, Pattaya only to enjoy. How much? 150?
200.
Wow. Outside it is 150, right?
What is on the beach, my friend? I go in Pattaya, buy in Pattaya, go in Cameo, and I boat and I car, I pay. Yes, come here, little bit of it.
Okay. Lovely beach, Samay Beach. So with that, we are done with Coral Island. It was fun. It was amazing. Though it is hot, we didn't feel it much, but these two enjoyed a lot. Now the next ferry is at 3 p.m. Now it is just 2:15. We don't want to wait for 45 minutes. So I think we'll have to take a ferry to the Coral Island, and from there we take a cab to the bus station and then go back to Bangkok. हो गया भाई साहब. We are done with Coral Island. Now going to pick up our luggage from our hotel there. Just boarded the bus from Pattaya to Bangkok. Now it will take us another 2.5 hours to reach Bangkok, and then we will go to our hotel and finally end the day today. 1.5 day I would say in Pattaya. There are still so many things to explore in Pattaya, but I think this will happen only next time. So next time when we come, we will do all this. Until then, wait karna padega. Getting down, unboarding the bus in Bangkok from Pattaya. Okay, reached Our hotel, Suvarna Bhumi Will Airport Hotel. Suvarna Bhumi Will Airport Hotel. We're so tired, hungry. Just need to eat something, have a hot shower. We have to wake up at 4, get ready, and go to the airport. Board a flight to Phuket. Okay, long day tomorrow again. See you around. Good night.